Today I'm going to make a cocktail for all you old-fashioned lovers out there. It's called the American Trilogy. I thought it was extra suitable to make it just to celebrate how well America is doing right now. America! Just like the penicillin, the American Trilogy was also created right here in New York City, but back in 2007 at a cocktail bar called Little Branch. And I'm not trying to say that New York City is the greatest city in the world for cocktails. What I'm trying to say is New York is probably the greatest city in the world for cocktails. The American Trilogy has 4 ingredients. They are rye whiskey, apple brandy, and this, I want you to know, is not sweet. Some people think that apple brandy is sweet, but it's not. Think of it as apple whiskey, if you will. And make sure you get this exact bottle because it's 100 proof and that's what we want. Then we have Regan's Orange Bitters and a little bit of demerara syrup. Sugar syrup. Supposedly this cocktail is called the American Trilogy because these 3 ingredients are all made in America. So maybe that's it, I don't know. This cocktail is going to be stirred. So we take our little mixing glass and we're going to start with our orange bitters. 2 dashes of this. Then we're going to do a 1/4 ounce of our demerara syrup. 1 ounce of the rye whiskey. And 1 ounce of our apple brandy. Just gonna get some ice for this. All right, and now all I have to do is stir. You don't have to stir this cocktail for that long because it's going to be served over ice. So if it's too strong right now, it's still fine because it will dilute even more in the glass. Take your julep strainer. And we're going to garnish it with an orange peel. Just make sure you express all those oils over it. And that's it. That's the American Trilogy. Let me try this. I haven't had one of these in a while. Damn, that's good. Yeah, it's like an old-fashioned, but a little bit lighter because of the apple brandy, which brings out those apple notes. Yeah, it's really good. It's pretty stiff, but that's the point. Like, you're supposed to sip this cocktail and, you know, take your time with it. The longer it sits over this cube, the more it'll dilute, so it'll be fine. Hey, before you go, have you subscribed to my channel yet? No? Well, click down below and, you know, just make sure. We'll be drinking buddies for the long run, right? Anyway, I'm gonna let you go now. Go have a look at all my videos. I know you can't wait. And I'll catch you later. First.